Welcome back to Stuff About tutorial. Today we are talking about how to upload profile picture on YouTube channel. Why would you want to know how to upload profile picture on YouTube channel? Well, maybe it is your first time using YouTube and not sure how to upload profile picture on YouTube channel. So today I'm going to show you how to upload profile picture on YouTube channel. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. Uploading profile picture on YouTube channel is quite simple and the process is easy to do. First of all, open any browser. Now write youtube.com in search bar. Now you are seeing channel logo in top right corner. Click on it. Click on your channel. Now click on customize channel. Now click on branding. Here in profile section, click on change and upload profile picture of your channel name. And then click on publish. There you go. If you wanted to know how to upload profile picture on YouTube channel, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way, to leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.